to my video. I am Christine Joy Sugal, ABS IT student. In this video on crossover and straight-through cables, where we delve into the fundamental aspects of networking cables and their significance in establishing direct connections between devices. In this video, we will explore the differences between crossover and straight-through cables, their unique functionalities, and when to use each type of various networking scenarios. First, we need a material, and the materials are UTP cable tester to know if our cable is working, and third, the crimping tool. We can use it to lock the RJ45 into cable, and last, it is the RJ45. First, we do the crossover is used to the same devices like PC to PC, and today sisimulan na natin ang crossover cable. First, babalatan po natin yung UTP cable ng 1 inch. Dahan-dahan, baka ito mabalatan sa loob. Ayusin lamang natin yung maliliit na cable, yung pairs niya. Ikakat natin para mag-string. Dahan-dahan natin ipasok sa loob. Kakat muna natin. Dahan na natin ipapasok sa loob ng RJ45. Sunod naman ay i-crimp natin ito. Baliktad pa. Pagpitan lang ng pag-crimp. Sunod naman yung kabila. Guys, yung sa crossover pala is, ang pagkakasunod niya ay white, green, green, white, orange, brown, white, brown, orange, white, blue, and blue. Itetest na natin yung ginawa nating crossover. And tada! Pagkatapos ng crossover, sunod naman natin yung straight through. Ang straight through ay ginagamit kapag iba't ibang devices katulad ng PC to switch. First, babalatan po natin yung UTP cable ng 1 inch. Dahan-dahan at baka ito mabalatan sa loob. Ilagay ang RJ45 at siguraduhing maayos yung pagkakalapat ng mga color sa RJ45 natin bago tayo mag-crimp. Ito na po yung straight through natin and i-tester na po natin siya. Yun, working naman siya. One. I would like to express my gratitude to all the viewers and supporters of my video. Your interest and engagement drive me to create content that educates and enlightens on essentials networking concepts. Let's embark on this journey together to unravel the mysteries of crossover and straight-through cables in the world of networking. By the way, shout out to my instructor, Sergius Lindo. Thanks for joining.